Are you aware of the fact that your cholesterol levels have risen? Cholesterol is a type of lipid that our body produces and performs vital roles such as aiding in digestion and absorbing nutrients, such as vitamin D. I have assisted many individuals in reducing their cholesterol levels. To illustrate, I have collaborated with people who had triglyceride levels that were as high as 800 mg per deciliter or even 2000 mg per deciliter, but within slightly over a month, their levels returned to normal. With cholesterol levels on the rise, it's never been more important to make sure you're getting enough of the good stuff. There are countless foods out there that can elevate your cholesterol, including refined and processed foods, sugars, and fats derived from these foods. These substances have a tendency to accumulate in the liver and on the walls of blood vessels, which diminishes blood flow to vital organs like the brain, heart, and kidneys. And they can also heighten the risk of tiny deposits of fat breaking off and resulting in strokes or blood clots. Cholesterol levels are regarded as outside the normal range if they are equal to or greater than 190 mg per deciliter, and the HDL fraction is typically below 40 mg, while it should be closer to 70 or 71. Foods that prompt the liver to generate more cholesterol than required, such as those with high fat content. Furthermore, avoid foods that contain excess fat, which contributes to the cholesterol that your body produces. These foods encompass fried fare, hydrogenated vegetable oils, butter, margarine, palm oil, and other hot-pressed oils, in addition to pork lard. All of these factors collectively augment cholesterol levels. Baked goods are the primary culprits in heightening cholesterol levels and contain a blend of wheat flour and hydrogenated fat. White flour stimulates alcohol production in our body, and surplus sugar instigates fermentation. This forces the liver to generate cholesterol to eliminate the alcohol from our bloodstreams. This is why some people have high cholesterol levels. Alcohol is also hazardous for other reasons and should be eliminated from your daily life because it impacts your health in various ways. Fast foods are not suitable for our health, and we cannot classify them as actual food. They are consumable items that are quickly consumed, but detrimental to our health. Fast foods typically contain red meats like fatty beef, rump roast, pork ribs, etc., which are best avoided. Additionally, there are processed meats like sausages, hot dogs, ham, salami, bologna, etc. These foods promote the formation of atherosclerotic plaques and can lead to cancer, as well as aggravate vascular accidents. When you combine these factors with a sedentary lifestyle, the situation worsens because the body is unable to burn the consumed calories. Numerous foods can aid in lowering cholesterol levels and curbing the overproduction of cholesterol in your body, even if it has accumulated in your liver or blood vessels. Consuming these foods can help your body eliminate the excess cholesterol. The first step to lowering your cholesterol is to eliminate the foods that cause it to rise. This means cutting down on saturated fats and trans fats, but it also means going easy on alcohol and refined carbs. If you want to lower your cholesterol even more, you can incorporate more live foods into your diet, such as sweet fruits, which help lower cholesterol even further. To do this, you should try to consume foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These are crucial for improving your health in addition to fiber, which reduces cholesterol levels. Incorporating whole grains into your diet is crucial for maintaining good health, and they can be consumed in both your first and second meals of the day. Oats in grain flakes or flour, along with other grains like barley, brown rice, corn, and their derivatives should be included in your diet. These whole grains are highly recommended because they contain a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that are essential for our overall health. Therefore, it's essential to include these whole foods in both breakfast and lunch. Eating legumes is a great way to add more fiber and nutrients to your diet. Soy in particular has been shown to improve cardiovascular health based on scientific evidence, but there are many soy-based products that are highly concentrated in beneficial elements found in soy solids, and soy milk is also a good source. In addition to being high in fiber, these legumes are also rich in protein and other nutrients that promote satiety, which is helpful for reducing cholesterol and promoting weight loss. Eggplant is a very nutritious vegetable and can be used in many ways. It is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. In addition, it also has a low calorie count. Personally, I enjoy consuming eggplants as a main dish at least once or twice a week. Some people also blend eggplants with the peel and orange juice, claiming that it helps in reducing cholesterol levels. Nuts like walnuts, chestnuts, and almonds contain healthy fats that can enhance our cardiovascular health and raise HDL, which is beneficial in cleaning arteries and eliminating harmful cholesterol. Additionally, sour fruits like apples, which contain their peel, have demonstrated cholesterol-lowering effects in various studies. Other examples of sour fruits are grapes, strawberries, and oranges, which are abundant in soluble fiber like pectin and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential in reducing LDL, the type of cholesterol that contributes to artery blockages. You can incorporate these sour fruits into your third meal to make it more nutritious. It's essential to combat a sedentary lifestyle by engaging in physical activity for at least 1 hour per day, 3 times a week. This regular exercise routine can significantly lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while increasing HDL, the fraction that helps to eliminate excess cholesterol from the body and prevents the buildup of these harmful fats in the arteries or liver. Regular exercise is also key to maintaining healthy weight, so you can lead a long, healthy life. Exercise helps burn calories that would otherwise be stored as fat. Plus, it's a great way to relieve stress. You can also include various types of teas that are rich in antioxidants, such as artichoke tea, dandelion tea, and carqueja tea. Other teas that may be beneficial include jambolao tea. You can find the recipes for these teas in the video below, along with a recipe for a drink that includes all of these plants, and a recipe for eggplant juice. Did you find the video helpful? If so, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We appreciate your support and hope to see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.